Would you like to create amazing B-rolls like this for your products? All you need is a camera with some good aperture value and a smooth camera trolley. Camera and lens. Of course you have to purchase. But the trolley, that we can make today. The parts are 3D printed in PLA, mostly at a density not less than 80%. I am using bearings with 19 mm diameter. You can choose the one as per your availability. But it is always advisable to not to reduce the inner diameter less than 5 mm. Because it's difficult to work with such thin layers when it comes to 3D printing. These gears are not the primary requirement. But I am planning to upgrade the trolley to automatic drive system. So the gears are installed for that purpose. Most of the parts are printed at the exact dimensions and friction fitted to reduce the complexity of the build. Unlike the rear wheels, the bearings are mounted inside the wheels in the front axle assembly. The front axle is easily adjustable with this lock nut for easy direction setting. The camera can be directly mounted onto the trolley. Since I have got a tripod head, I am building to mount the same. Because, the tripod head will give me a wide range of camera angles. You can comment on this video with your email ID for the STL files of this build. Thanks for watching. Tune to our channel for more creative videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.